to all my returning viewers and subscribers. Welcome back. If you are new, if you are joining the family for the first time, welcome. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out my channel. Thank you all for tuning in and for hanging out with me today. My name is Lizzie, aka Chanel. The name of this channel is Lizzie Luxury. Lizzie Luxury is your one-stop channel for everything beauty, fashion, glamour, and lifestyle. If you have passion, love, interests in maybe one or all of these subjects, just like I do, you have come to the right place. Please make yourself comfortable, get you a glass of wine or a glass of champagne because today I have another interesting, super hot product review for you all. I am excited about this product, I'm excited about this review, and I am hoping you all are going to enjoy this review. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends to help my channel grow. Also, please do not forget to turn on the notification bell so each time I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. Without any delay, I'm going to jump straight into this review. Before I jump into this review, I just want you all to check out this dress that I'm rocking today. This dress is by none other than Alice and Olivia. Please check out Alice and Olivia. They make some amazing clothes for women. I truly love their brand. This video today is a special video. It is a two-part series video, so this is part 2 of that two-part series video. This first video was based on a luxury wine by Lamborghini. It was a special birthday gift that I got for my husband. So this is also a luxury special birthday gift that I got for him. So as you can see, it came in this gorgeous signature brown box. On the front, it is none other than Christian Louboutin. Christian Louboutin. Some people call it Christian Louboutin. I call it Christian Louboutin. Christian Louboutin is a French international high-end luxury fashion house designer. They are known all over the world. They are one of the most sought-after brands on the market. They specialize in ready-to-wear, apparel, leather goods, accessories, makeup, you name it. So I'm just gonna share with you all what I got for my husband from Christian Louboutin. So inside this box, we got all our paperwork, which includes your invoice, exchange on policy, and a note from the company. Here we have this dust bag. It says Christian Louboutin on the front. It is plain on the bag. And inside of this box, I got this beautiful pair of shoes. I don't know if y'all can see up close. It has this beautiful pair of shoes. So I'm just gonna take them out and show you all. And this pair of shoes is called the Men's Dandy Rock Gold Tone Studded Heel Jaguar Loafer. Men's Dandy Rock Gold Tone Studded Heel Jaguar Loafer. It's very beautiful. This iconic Dandy Rock loafer, of course, is designed by none other than Christian Louboutin. You can see on the sole, it has the Christian Louboutin signature red sole. Very beautiful. It has a shiny, glossy finish to it. Feels very smooth. Very smooth and beautiful. It also has that lacquered finish. And you can see the fabric is jacquard. It has these three beautiful contrasting colors. It has this navy blue color. It has the zinc gold color as well. And it also has this bright, rich gold tone color. Such a classy, elegant loafer. I don't think you can see up close, but right here on the bottom it says Christian Louboutin, and of course it is made in Italy. So I'm gonna just take out this paper wrap, show you all how it looks on the inside. I'm not sure if you can see up close or not. But that's how it looks on the inside. It says Christian Louboutin Paris on the insole. With its pure and clean lines, this elegant loafers is designed for the style conscious modern man. And this beautiful Dandy Rock loafers has a beautiful rockish appeal to them. Very, very gorgeous. The heel is described as an intricate geometric gold inlay with a gold inlay. Intricate geometric gold inlay design. Beautiful heels. I don't know if you can see. I don't think you can see up close. They feel like spikes. It's really beautiful. It has this rich gold tone color on both sides. So I'm just taking this kind of like a bubble wrap off. Beautiful pair of shoes. The front of the shoes has a round shape. And this style is also described as a slip-on because it doesn't have any lace. So this is a slip-on loafer. I purchased these shoes from Beldam Goodman. So I ordered them online and they were shipped to me. And the price, of course, is $995. $995. That's like the average range for most of the Christian Louboutin men's footwear. $995. I went one size up with these particular shoes because Christian Louboutin, their shoes are known to run small. So to be comfortable, you want to go at least half a size or a full size up, just so you'll be comfortable in them. If you were to just try them on, you don't know if you're gonna like them, if they're gonna fit. You just make sure you try them on a carpet surface, on a carpeted surface. You don't want to cause any scratch marks or signs of wear on the bottom, because they won't accept them. If you were to return them, they won't accept them. So just be mindful. Make sure you try them on a carpeted surface. You don't want any sign of wear, scratch marks on the bottom if you were to return them. These are very, very beautiful shoes. The shoes would definitely add sophistication and elegance to any outfit. They are a true statement piece, in my opinion. I love them. Gorgeous, well crafted, well designed. The shoes is really iconic, and it is a true representation of the stylish, sophisticated, high-end Christian Louboutin designs. Very beautiful, elegant. And this concludes the end of this review. This concludes the end of the birthday gift. Please just let me know in the comment section what you think about this review, what you think about Christian Louboutin, if you have any of their products, what your experience is. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you all for your time. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you.